Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Good afternoon. Good morning, wherever you're joining from. Hey, what's up, guys? If you can hear me, let me know you guys can hear me. How are you doing? Good afternoon, good morning. Wherever you're joining from. Let's go. Fantastic. Let's click on like button. Let's click on the share button. Let's increase our connection, guys. Can you click on the share button? What's up? What's up? Yeah. Good afternoon, folks. Good afternoon, guys. You guys start. How are you going over there? Where are you joining from? Where are you joining from? Let's know where you're joining from. Let's know where you're joining from. My name is Mayowa. Owolabi. You're welcome to Forex Outlook and live trading session with Mayowa. Owolabi. Let me know where you guys are joining from. Good afternoon, good morning. Tell me. Gonna be here again since last week, where we had an amazing session. Fantastic. We have some great guys joining all the way from Lagos. Good to have you guys on the call. Type in where you're joining from. Good afternoon, good morning. And today's session is going to be deep as usual, guys. So get ready. It's going to be a great session as usual. Woo! Come on. So let's click on the like button. Thank you for liking. Let's click on the share button. Let's help other people see this. It's an absolutely free session. So I'll be taking questions. I'll be analyzing the chart. And we're going to be having a great time today. Since we last met, I spoke to you guys about we have Tonio Ferreira. Good to have you, my brother. You're joining all the way from Lagos. Good to have you. Thank you for joining. You're welcome. We have about another few seconds. Let's engage. Where are you joining from? Thank you for joining. Click on the share button. Click on the like button. Let's engage, guys. Thank you. Will said, good afternoon, sir, from Port Harcourt. Good to have you, my brother. Good to have you all the way. It's your ma joining from Lagos. Fantastic. Good to have you. Port Harcourt. Hey, Charles Nacho, all the way from Ibadan. Charles, good to have you. Thank you so much for joining. We have another amazing person from Uyo. Thank you for joining. It's going to be a great time. Get your note, get your pen. We're going to be having a great time tonight, as usual. Last Saturday, I was not online. I needed to attend to a family function, and I got home extremely late, so I couldn't come on but we're going to be having that session this Saturday. So get ready. It's going to be a great time as usual. We're going to be rounding up the five battle every trader must fight and win. Okay, fantastic. We have Tanko from Wukari, Taraba. It's been a while, Tanko. How are you doing? It's been a while. It's been a while. It's been a while. So last week we spoke about, we had the buyers. Hey, Asong from Cameroon. Good to have you on the call. How is Cameroon? How is Cameroon? Excited having you on board, bro. Dunamis, what's up? How is it going with you? How is it going? How is it going? Fantastic, fantastic. Good to have you guys. I'm excited. Ikechukwu Ifeanyi, good afternoon, coach from Lagos. Good to have you, my brother. Good to have you, my brother. So between last week and now, I told you guys that USD was going to gain strength. And I'm sure some of you, like, you saw Euro go up, AUD go up, and you're like, geez, this thing is going up. Yeah. Then, in the course of the week, they went down again. Pa, 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 pa. You see, you must understand that what controls the market is the institutional order flow. Institutional order flow. Oh, Tanko says, yes, sir, I've been busy with school stuff here in the Federal University of Wukari. Oh, I see. How is your studies going? Good to have you on. So, everybody type in institutional order flow. Everybody type in order flow. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Type in order flow, type in order flow. So the reason why when you trade, you miss out is because you are not obeying the order flow. When you're not obeying the order flow, you are already wrong. You are already wrong. And you must understand that the order flow has the direction that we're expecting. Okay? So what is the order flow all about? The order flow is transactions that are already in the market that you and I, okay, as a retail trader, don't have access to them. And because we don't have access to them, you know, except you buy some softwares that allows you to have access to such application. So if you don't trade with order flow, you're going to be very, very wrong. And you must understand this, that this is what separates the big boys from the men. So it means that if the institutions are saying that we are buying, then it means we are buying. If the institution says that we are selling, it means that the whole entire market will sell. Now, we might not like it. Joseph Olugbaji said, obey the order flow. The order has the direction that we are expecting. That is right, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So once you don't obey the order flow, you're going to be wrong. So it's like somebody from Lagos is going to another city and is taking a wrong direction. So no matter how you go in, you are going to be wrong. See, let me share one secret to you tonight. Are you ready? While I migrate back to my laptop. Are you ready? Are you ready to hear this? Come on, guys. If you're ready, type in I'm ready. If you're ready, type in I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's go. The best of my trades. The best of my trades that has given me the kind of money that has made me to say I will never leave Forex, no matter what people say. There are trades that I picked from the monthly time zone. I picked them on monthly time zone and I entered them on lower time frame. Those are the trades that I can go as far as any level to put any amount that I want to put in. So I want to let you know that once you are right with the direction of the order flow, I guarantee you are going to be doing well. But if you don't identify the order flow, you will see even fundamentals, news, fundamentals, guys, news, they obey order flow. Write that down. News, they obey order flows. News. So if you're saying to yourself, you're a Forex trader and you're not obeying the top-down analysis, there will be days you will win and there will be days you will lose. Is that what you're experiencing? Tell me. Is that what you're experiencing? Because once you are not obeying the order flow, you will definitely be wrong. For example, now does that mean that the order flow is always 100% right? Yes. But when you pick trades, you will be wrong. Edion says yes, so Elizabeth says yes. Yeah, that's it, guys. Because when you are wrong, you are wrong. When you are wrong, you are wrong, guys. No matter the analysis, and you are not in the direction of the order flow, guys, you are wrong. I've been in your shoe. I have paid some amazing deals that I'm not meant to pay because of impatience. I've lost several money because of impatience. Okay, so I want to change over. Okay, guys. Can you guys hear me? So I'm now on my laptop, guys. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, put in some 777. Fantastic. Good. So once you're wrong with the order flow, the reason why you make money on Monday, you make money on Tuesday, you make money on Wednesday, And on every other days you are wrong is because those times you were right, you were trading with the order flow. But those times you were wrong, you were not trading with the order flow. So I really want you to understand that. And how do you get the order flow, Mr. Mayowa? The order flow is always on the monthly time frame. You pick it from the extreme higher time frame. Once you do that, guys, you're going to be free. You know, I know some of you are intraday traders, guys. Good. So, sorry, my technical guys are really working. Yeah, better now. Working on my gadgets. So let's get to the board. Let's get to what we have on the screen. As usual, we'll always start with the DXY. Hey, we have Veran from Indian. How are you, my brother? Good to have you. So let's go with the currency index. Currency index. Guys, I'm waiting for a reversal. I'm waiting for a reversal. I'm waiting for a reversal on JPY. JPY needs to gain strength. Okay? And the reversal is already happening. You can see that we had a rejection last week. Okay? We had a rejection last week. And you can see that on this drop base rally, the market rejected that. So except it breaks this demand, we're going to be seeing a rejection on JXY. And that means that we are going to be expecting AUD-JPY. We're going to be expecting JPYs to gain strength. And when JPY gains strength, EJ will sell, GAJ will sell, CHEP JPY will sell, UJ will be looking for sell opportunity on that. So because what happened here is the same thing we're about to see that will happen here. And if this happens, that means that the market will have a retracement back to the top here or back to the rejection zone, which I strongly feel this is where it should come to, because the downward move has been for a very long time. So I'm expecting the retracement back to this flip zone or back to the top. And if that happens, that means that there will be a long-term sell on all the JPY pairs. Having established that, we are projecting that JPY should give us a rejection. Okay. Also, GBP is still weak, but currently is on a support. As a matter of fact, support and resistance traders would have been trading buy here. But like I tell you, I'm not a support and resistance trader. I'm a supply and demand trader. And I have a strategy we trade that is called the ITC strategy. It's a swing and position trading strategy, and that's what we do. So right now, JPY is also weak, and the institutions are yet to close their positions on JPY. So the challenge we have right now is that we expect JPY to drop more. If you go to the 3 months chart, we're expecting it to really, really drop more. So at least I will be expecting a drop to 106.69, which I told you guys about last week. Right now, there is a form of rejection that we're seeing, but I don't see this as a major rejection because on weekly time frame, you guys can see that we have a drop, a base, a drop. That is a continuation pattern. And this continuation pattern means that GBP has the potential to still keep selling. So we'll note that down again, that GBP, we are expecting GBP to continue to sell. That's for the GBP pair. Now, a lot of us are expecting USD to be weak. And let me be sincere with you guys. See, trade what you see, not what you want. Type that in. Come on, guys, type that in, type that in, type that in, type that in. Trade what you see, not what you want. Mr. Mayowa of I Am, of Profit Arcade, of Life. Thank you so much. Hey, Mr. Desalu, good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Celebrate you, sir. Hey, Olatomiwa, good to have you. Good afternoon. Trade what you see and not what you want, guys. Trade what you see and not what you want. Edidion says, yes, I just blew my Forex fund account today. Okay. Edidion, you want to change my training, and I'll try not to change my training, but I'll talk to you. Between 2010 and 2014, 4 years was one of the most horrible part of my experience trading Forex. I lost so much money, and I was willing to lose more because I knew Forex works. I want you to understand that before you go into prop firm trading, don't mind people telling you to go and start trading prop firm. Prop firm, you need to have understood your strategy, consistently be making money with your strategy before you go and purchase any prop firm account. See, I've been in your shoe, and this is why I had to keep coming online again to talk to you, bro. See, guys, show me your journal, Edidion. Show me your journal. Why did you enter those trades you entered? Show me your journal. What were your risks before entering that trade? Show me your journal. When you were in profit, did you break even? Show me your journal. Do you have a stop loss, or do you have a stop loss and take profit? Show me your journal. Are you trading in the right section? Show me your journal. Then I will tell you who you are in the Forex market. I don't like you to blow account, but I've been there before. And I didn't have anybody to correct me because I didn't have a mentor. So when I decided to get a mentor, the mentor began to tell me the power of documentation.
So I journal my trades. And the ones that I win, I know. The one that I don't win, I know. Then I know how not to go in the next time. So, bro, I feel your pain, but you must understand that it is like when you remember, I taught you the 3 dimensions of knowledge. The first level of knowledge is information, the second level of knowledge is understanding, which is transformation. You must have moved into understanding. Understanding means that you are not just a trader, you now understand the market. And understanding the market means you will rarely going to blow an account. Now, when you blow an account, does that make you a failure? No, you're not a failure, but you have not mastered the act. And it is also foolishness to keep putting money in a business you have not mastered. So what do you do in this scenario? You will retreat. When you retreat, you open a demo account. The same strategy you are using, you will use it on the demo account, or you fund with $50 or $100, then you use just 0.01 to understand your strategy. See, once you skip it, you can't get it. Once you skip it, once you skip the process, you can't get it. You can't. See, let me help you out, guys. What gives you the money is the process you follow. It is the process that pays the bills, the rules. It's not just about trading. I've told you before, I have an account currently that I am trading with a wrong habit on. And when I traded that account, I discovered that it was because it was a wrong habit. See, a lot of us, we make money with wrong habits. And when we make money with wrong habits, it is also wrong habit that will take it away. So a guy was sharing with me, he has $200. He picked the first trade. He used 3%. 3% gave him 10% of the account. 3% of $200, that is about $6. So he used $6 to make $20. Now, in the second trade, he risked 20%. Now, 20% took out almost all took out the profit and even took away some capital. So it is a good strategy, but a wrong habit. Guys, wake up, wake up, wake up. I might stop coming if you are not taking correction. I'll stop coming. I'll stop coming if you guys are not taking correction. Jonathan says, once you skip the process, you can't get it. That is right, my brother. Mr. Desanu says, Mr. Mayowa, talk to me, please. Flog, Yeah, that's why I'm here. So I want you guys to make money, but guys, you're too aggressive about this market. And this market is here till the next 100 years, until Forex trading stops. But you must correct yourself. You must correct that culture. You must correct that habit by doing what? By being diligent. Be diligent, guys. Be diligent. This, I talk more about this on Saturday. Today is more of analysis. Be diligent. We have to be diligent. Godwin says, Ariwondo says, good to be here. Thank you so much. So Lawrence, let's get back to it. Let's go back to the drawing board and write out your checklist and open a small account and trade that small account. Don't treat Forex as competition. Some of you want to show somebody that you are making money. That is why you are trading Forex. You are not trading Forex for your family. You want to trade Forex to put it on your WhatsApp status, on your Instagram page, to show people that you are trading Forex. That is why some of you are trading Forex. You want to prove that your strategy is working. That's why some of you are trading Forex. But guys, I'm here to trade Forex and build my empire. So I don't have a business with you. Either you follow me or you don't follow me. I'm here to build my empire. But you must have the reason that Forex is business and you have to treat it as business. You have to treat it as business, guys. I don't like when people blow account. I don't like it. I don't like it. Candy Boy says, you are already taking some break. Oh, really? How? How am I taking break? I'm not taking break now. Is there a day I didn't come? So you have to be very intentional about this, guys. This guy, I don't know where this Candy Boy is from. So let's get back to work. So you take your time, okay? Take your time and make sure you're deliberate about it. There'll be temptation on every side, but sincerely, the money is available. You have to just follow through. So let's get back to our screen, okay? Let's get back. So DXY is still very strong, very, very strong. And I feel it still has a lot of room, okay? It still has a lot of room to go up more. And if this has a lot of room to go up more, USD is still strong. So if USD is still strong, UCAD buy, UCHEF buy, AU buy, AU sell, EU sell, GU sell, NU sell. Why are they going to be selling? They're going to be selling because the investors are still putting in money in this. They still have a lot of money right in here. So I strongly feel that the market will come up into this place, and from that zone, we're going to be expecting a sell-off to this place from 116.27. We're going to be expecting a sell-off down to this place. So there's still a lot of room. Now, can there be a reversal? There could be a reversal. There could be a reversal, but I strongly feel that can there be a short-term reversal? There could be a short-term reversal, but I strongly feel that it's going to be gaining more strength. Okay, so my bias is that USD is going to be strong. So on all other pairs, I'm going to be looking for sell. Now the next one is Euro. Euro also is weak. I told you guys about this. Euro has been weak for a while, and I expect Euro to come to 95. Okay, come to 95. If you use your Fibonacci, I still feel it's going to come down here, but there could be a potential reversal anytime soon. But that reversal will only happen if we can get DXY to retrace. Okay, if you can get DXY to retrace. So I told you guys last week that we're going to be selling Euro, and I still feel the bias is still there right now. New Zealand is weak, is already in the demand zone, so let's expect a reversal. Let's expect a reversal. Let's expect a reversal. So if this reversal will happen, USD will sell. Okay, USD will sell, then NZD will buy. Okay, but if USD is not selling, NZD will not buy. Okay, understand how these guys move. Also note that the institutions barely trade. The institutions barely trade. The institutions barely trade charts. They trade currency. They don't trade currency pair. It's the hedge funds that trade currency pair. So what it means is that uh, Citibank could say, oh, they have 1 million contract. They don't trade lot size, so they can move the money and they move it from USD, they move it to JPY. Okay, so a lot of time that they move money intercurrency, they move it from one currency to another. So that is why the currency they move it from and the way they are moving it to, that one will drop, and where they move it to will rise. So it's actually a cycle, and that is why the last time I talked to you guys about understanding the movers and the shakers of the market. And I told you that over JP Morgan has over 11% of the entire Forex market. Let me be sure of that data again. Imagine one institution having 11% of the entire market. So it means that if JP Morgan moves their capital from one currency to another, because they have the market share of 11%, the whole market will shake. So that is why we all need to approach the market using the monthly direction or the monthly order flow, so that it allows us to be able to manipulate, to navigate the market when we are trading it on lower time frame. And you see, it takes it takes a while, because when this order starts moving, it takes a lot. It's a long time order flow. So it doesn't happen because they are not everyday trader like you and I. They trade when they move into the market moves, they stay into the market between 3 months to 2 years. That's how long they stay in the market, because they don't move like we move. They stay in it and they enjoy the ride down. So having established that, Mr. Mayowa, I want to see what you heard. I was not in class when you said that. Okay, so this is the order flow. This is the top currency traders by global market share. Okay, you can see these people, JP Morgan. This is for Forex. You can see them. Commercial banks, Forex participant, commercial banks, hedge fund, real money, retail traders. This is us, prime brokers, retail brokers, proprietary friend. Okay, this is that my FX fund, FTMO. This is them. Okay, so all of these people, they are participants. Commercial companies. Okay, they also have that. But those that control the market, look at top currency traders by global market share. JP Morgan's handles 11%. This alone is a strategy, because wherever JP Morgan invests their money, that is where the market. Do you guys agree with me? Put in yes. Do you agree with me? Do you understand this right now? USB has 10%. Deutsche Bank has 8%. So if the market has a turnover of $7 trillion every day, that is what is happening. And they move their money from one currency to another, the market will change in their direction. So what you want to do is, if you're an intraday trader, you want to make sure that daily is saying the direction, daily chart is moving in the direction you are entering. If you're a swing trader, 4 hours daily is in the direction of your monthly chart. If daily is calling buy and you now go and sell because your indicator says you should quickly sell, I guarantee you will be wrong. And even if you are right, it will form a wrong habit. Then you will eventually lose over time. Because when you make money first time, you are happy. You make money second time, you are happy. You make money third time, you are happy. By the fourth time, human naturally wants to break the rule. So when you break the rule and you're already on the wrong side, you will naturally hit the rock. So having established that today, let's go to our pairs and let's go. So I told you guys last month to sell GCHF. Okay, to sell GCHF. And the reason why I told you guys to sell GCHF was simple. I analyzed it before. It was on a, see, you can see the move, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Watch carefully. Because the institutions were already investing in CHF. So if you bring CHF, oh, where am I going? Am I permitted? Can I go deeper today? Can I go deeper? Can I go deeper today? Tell me. Can I? Are you ready for this? Can I go deeper today? Click on the share button. Click. Elizabeth said yes. Okay, great. Can I go deeper today? So good. So now you need to like. Oh yeah, all of you click on the like button. Everybody click on the like. How many likes do we like have? Someone say please do. Yes, I'm here. I will do it. Even if I don't want to do it, I'll do it. It's free. I don't understand. Ozuma says go deepest. I should go deepest. God is watching you. Okay, how many people have liked? There's God. Oh yeah, all of you like. All of you on YouTube, oh yeah, click on the like button. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Even me, man, I've click on like. This how, yes. Oh yeah, like it. Oh yeah, like it. So let's go. So Anita Adams, good to have you. So apparently, this is it. So if you come to check a pair like CHF which means that the market, which is where the market has moved in from, go to the monthly of CHF the monthly. So let's check the movement together. You see that from 2020, the institutions have pumped in money. I told you they enter and they stay in. Since 2020, this guy have been buying CHF, JPY, 4,000 pips since 2020. Right? Good. If you come to that 2020 on on Chef, GBP Chef, 2020, December 2019, look at it, December 2020, look at this. This has been this sell. Where's 2020? 2019. Good. This is the 2021 April. 2021 April. This 2021 April. This is 2021 April. Look at this. (2021 April), somewhere here. Watch carefully. Because the institutions are positive here on CHF-JPY, which means that they have their money in CHF. You can check CHF index, okay? I don't want to go there, but let's go there. CHF index. This is a bit rough, so that's why I don't use it. But let's use CHF-JPY. So you will agree with me that this guy has been selling. So for GBP Chef to buy, guys, what will happen? Either the money moves into GBP as a currency to start going up, or the money moves out from CHF. One must happen. But right now, the money is still in where? It's still in CHF. And what are we expecting? We expect the market to drop more. So today, I begin to see a reaction on CHF-JPY for a sell. And that's what I've been talking to you guys all about. So right now, if we come to this, I told us that we still have some amazing moves downward that we expect this guy to complete on. So we expect this to drop more. And why? The only reason why it will retrace now is if the institutions move out their money from CHF. That's the only reason. So let's do a breakdown analysis. As usual, let's start with GBP USD, which a lot of you used to like us to start with. Okay. As usual, I pick my frame. This is the last frame. This is the last frame. Okay. What do I mean by frame? This is your structure frame, lower high. When we add this guy, this is the sell frame. So we sell from here, it dropped. Then it created this and this. So right now we are at the bottom. Now, this is also double bottom for a lot of intraday traders. Now, the reason why this guy will hold is if USD will sell. But if not, I've told you guys that GBP USD will sell more. USD is still gaining strength. GBP is still weak. I haven't established that from our JPY, from our DXY and BXY. Then we'll come to where? We'll come here. So right now, what do we have? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Do you guys agree with me that this is the last frame on the daily? Good. So if this is the last frame on the daily, then this becomes our flip zone. So we're going to be looking for to sell here at this place, or we sell here at this place. So we need the market to pull up into this place for a sell. If the market doesn't come here right now, no sell, guys. I'm not selling. Now, having established that, let me print this. It's going to be dropped on the Telegram group. Make sure you're in the Telegram group. So I'm going to be looking for a sell opportunity in this zone. So let's go to 4 hours if you can get something lower. Good. On 4 hours time frame, we can also see that we have a rejection here, which the market can come and use this place as what? As liquidity. If the market is using this place as liquidity, it will be selling here. We'll be selling here. But more so, but sir, why can't I buy here? This will be counter trend because monthly is calling sell, daily is calling sell. If you buy here right now, it's not a bad idea, but it's a bad culture. Or sorry, it's a bad habit. It's a bad habit. Why not wait to sell here or sell here? When you come here and you sell here, it hits stop loss, you accept your loss. When it comes here again, it hits stop loss, you accept your loss. But you are building right culture. See, we are here for a long time, guys. We are here for a long time. We are not here because we want to pay rent. We are not here because we want to just buy a car. We are here to build an empire. Come on, guys. If I'm speaking your mind, put in 777. Because you must understand that. You must understand that we are here for a long time. So put your analysis more in the direction of the market so that you can win on the long term and not just win today, win tomorrow, win today, lose tomorrow, which is the major challenge with Forex. I don't like it. So some Clement is saying, why is JPY so weak for over a year now? Powerful weakness. Yes, it's weak because the investors are not putting money there. That's the main reason. It's weak. So don't forget that JPY is a safe haven with gold. So if the traders are having issues with other current, if the institutions are having issues with other currency, they move their money out and they put it into safe havens. Fantastic. So that is exactly what will happen when US declare recession. Once they declare recession, the markets, people will move their money out and they will go start selling. They'll move their money into JPY. So right now, my bias, okay, is sell. My bias is sell. I'm watching out for sell at this flip zone, then also at this zone. That's my bias. I can be wrong, okay? I'm not proving to you guys. I'm not here to prove to you I'm the best. I'm just a smart investor like you. The only difference is maybe I have experience more than you or anything, anyhow, okay? So my bias is still sell, okay? USD is still very weak and we are good to go. So having established all the directions of the market, we have the bias for GBP, JPY. What pair do you guys want me to analyze today? I've given you all the directions, okay? So give me 3 more pairs so I can analyze. Let me drop the GBP USD analysis for you guys. So around those places where we have, so I've dropped them. Around those places where we have the lines, those are the places where we're going to be looking for sell. Those are the places we're going to be looking for sell. Okay. Jonathan Encho says AUD. We should check out AUD USD. So I've dropped Um, I've dropped the GU on the group, Discord group. Okay, so Jonathan says AUD. Tanko also says AUD USD. So let's go to AUD USD. But I've told you that USD is still strong. And if USD is still strong, that means that AUD is weak. So we keep selling. Okay, sell. This is the last framework. This is the last structure frame for sell. So the market got into this zone, sold off. So right now, what are we expecting? The market got to this support, which is the usual one. Okay, got into this rally-based drop, sell off. So this guy needs to retrace back to the top so that we can sell. Let's go to 2 hours or 1 hour. We'll waiting for a sell-off here. Waiting for a sell-off from 6,900. Okay, that's my bias. That's my bias. Sell off, right? Sell off. So that's AU sell off. You're selling. So Clement says, is it rational and safe to buy in that zone where we want to buy into the zone? So that's counter trend. So it's not about rational or safe, it's about trend. Okay? It's about trend, it's not about rational or safe. When you begin to trade with the direction of the trend, you will naturally trade less because you will not be seeing trade every day. Once you start trading in the direction of the trend, you'll be trading less. But when you are trading up and down, you'll be trading more and you can be wrong. So don't trade anyhow. So wisdom says we should check GBPAUD. Okay. Will says we should check GBPAUD. So let's check GBPAUD. Let's check GBP. Let's check GBPAUD. GBPAUD. Whew. The same scenario. Sell frame.
sell frame. But this guy is here to get to this drop base drop. And it also has the capacity to come here. So let's go to daily. So daily, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is the last sell frame. So if you go with that, this will be rally based drop, sell zone. This is already another rally based drop, sell zone. Okay, so we sell from here down, or we sell from here down. So depending on where you got the your confirmation entry on. But the bias is still sell. You can see that this guy, okay, so the bias is still sell. So you can pick that sell. Your strategy should be able to, will give you the entries and your stop loss. But if you pick stop entry here, the stop loss will be wider, 170 pips. 170 pips is too much. About 200 pips is too much. So you have to wait, allow the market to give you your own confirmation entry. And if you don't have a confirmation entry, go and learn Forex again. If you don't have your entry strategy, go and stop trading Forex. Go back to learning, go back to academy. Okay. One more analysis. One more analysis. So this is GBP. That's GBP JPY. That's GBP JPY. I've dropped GBP JPY on the Telegram group. So you just wait for your confirmation and we're good to go. One more. Let's go. So we've done AU. We've done AU. We've done AU. We've done GU. And we have done GA. One more, guys. If you need the analysis, go join the Discord group. Join the Discord group. Join the Telegram group. You get it there.
You get it. My body secret. Please, sir, I want you to to be my mentor. How do I go about it? Okay, that's the number on the screen. Reach out to the admin, and you can join the community. Okay, you can join the trading community where we trade together. We are swing traders. We don't trade every day. So don't come in and say you are waiting for Monday trade, Tuesday trade, Wednesday trade. We are not such traders, okay? We are here to make money and not trade. We trade opportunities. We trade opportunities. We don't trade market. So it is when the opportunity is there we pull in our money. Hope that helps. My body, my secret. My body secret. Hope that helps. Okay, the number scrolling on the screen, you can reach out. The admin will get you started right. Isioma says that how do I join the Telegram group? The Telegram group, the link is in the description. Go to the description of this video, you will see it. You will see it in the description. Okay, Clement says, thanks. Hard to hear that. Most times, waiting is the problem. Waiting for getting the counter trend set up and wait for the short trends. Yeah, the waiting is a lot. You know, it's one of the major challenge we have in trading. A lot of people want to trade, and it makes them to, it makes them to lose out in it. For example, for the past 6 weeks now, I've not seen any of my trade. I've not seen any of my trade. I'm not happy about it, but I'm used to it. I'm used to it. So more of intraday trade, 4 hours, stop loss is about 30 pips, 40 pips. I don't like that. I want to trade that my stop loss should be maximum 15 pips or 20 pips. That's my stop loss. My usual stop loss is 5 pips, 15 pips, 7 pips. How many of you saw the AUD chef that I posted? How many of you saw the AUD chef? The AUD chef has given over 1 to 77 right now. And we picked it since the month of May. Since May. Since May. This is the entry. You can see, this is the entry. He has given 1 to 83. So imagine you invest, you risked $25 or you risk $50 on this trade. If you risk $100, you will make $8,300 on this particular trade since May. If you risk on $50, you would have made $4,750. Am I right? $650. And if you risk $25 on this trade, you would have made, let me bring my calculator out. So the challenge is that waiting. And that's the way it's structured. That you cannot make good money without waiting, except you are doing rituals. That's $2,000. But $25 would have turned to $2,000. now on this one trade. And what did I do? I didn't do anything special. The same thing. Look at lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, sell structure. Then we had another what? Lower high, another lower low, sell structure. And I waited for the market to come back here. And I sold. So it's nothing special. It's just that you can't wait. And that's why the challenge is that waiting. And I've told the people in the community that for some of us that are still holding it, I said that this guy has the capacity to come here. And that's about 1 to 106. And that should be in about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 to 6 months. So tell me the business that will give you where you risk $100 for about $10,100, $10,100. Tell me. By the time it gets to the promised land, tell me. So the challenge is the waiting. And I also learned it the hard way after I have lost severally. So that's why I posted it. And that's why I don't post it. I post it, a lot of you love the result, but there's a lot of waiting. There's a lot of waiting. A lot of waiting. So you like that kind of result, you have to do it the same way. You have to wait. So I also recommend maybe you have 2 separate accounts, one for your intraday and one for your swing, so that you would not just be trading all the time. We have 10 more minutes. Somebody said we should do Euro USD. Another person says we should do gold. Another person says we should do USD JPY. Another person says we should do CAD JPY. So which one should we go for? I did, sir. USD Chef did amazing last week Wednesday. I missed the entry. Oh, can you imagine? Hey, Maxwell Ayo Effion, how you doing? Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. You said you are coming. I'm waiting for you. Maybe till next year, Maxwell. Till next year, maybe that's when you will come. I'm waiting. Please, sir, do you have any video on market structure and price action? Yeah, that will be in our academy. But there are a lot of my free videos there. Go to my YouTube channel and check out. Anything that is not on my YouTube channel, it will be in the course. You might have to get the course. You might have to get the course. You might have to get the course. And we have the management have restructured the platform so that we have more people in the community. So we have a 3-month access in the community and 1-year access in the community. Okay, we have about four live sessions every week. Then that's $350 for the 3 months. And after the 3 months, you pay $100 monthly. You can pay $1,000 for 1 year to be in the community. And you can pay, if you want private section, you call for private section. And if you want the Trade With Me project, for a lot of you that have money, that you want to really do business like Forex business, and you also want to be mentored, you Trade With Me offer. Okay. So anyone that suits you, but I just recommend you start with the community. In the community, you have access to the training videos, and you're good to go. You have access to training videos. You have access to our setups. You also have access to my Sunday ITC mastery. Then Tuesdays, you also have access to Tuesday, you have access to the Outlook. So we did our Outlook yesterday. We gave out 5 trades. And that's what we do. So wisdom says, okay, so we have another person that is saying we should check USD JPY. So let's check USD JPY and we'll close it there. So USD JPY currently is in a monthly supply. And in that, we need to see the market destroy this level. And when the market breaks down this level, then we can do business with USD JPY. But if it doesn't, that means that this is it. But this guy not to break this level. If it doesn't break this level, that means it's going up. So this is invariably what you are expecting. This need to break down here, come out, then that's what you will expect. So if it doesn't break that, okay, that means that USD JPY is still going up. But a lot of the JPYs are already selling, but that's not my main sell, It's not my main sell. I strongly feel that the main sell is not ready. Like I do tell you, I can be wrong. I think the main sell is not ready. Okay. The main sell is not ready. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. Let me take questions so I can help you. I can have a close session. So today we spoke about all the indexes. JPY, we strongly feel that there will be a reversal that will give JPY strength for a sell. So all the JPYs will be looking for a sell. But there could still be a short buy. Okay. GBP is still very weak. We are looking for sell. USD is still very strong. We are looking for buy. USD pairs is still strong. So AUD, NU, EU, GU, all of those ones sell. Okay? All of those ones sell. And from there, we'll be good to go. Any question, guys? Okay, guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Any question? If you have gained some value, type in value. Put in. What will you say to my team? Blessings, sir. Thank you so much. Willie. Willie says, thank you so much, sir. Thanks for your time. Thank you. God bless you. Amen. You're welcome. Amen. Thank you so much for your help. I'm just trying my best. Fantastic. Value. Fantastic. Okay, guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when we'll talk about cryptocurrency. I took a sell on Binance futures trading. Is already giving me over 100%. I'm excited about it. When the market is doing anyhow, you have to look at ways to trade it. So futures is very good if you can. Please, how can one have access to this index? Reward the video, you see it. Okay. In scenario where price breaks a low, okay, that question is not complete. That question is not complete. What happens if the price breaks the low? Joshua, God bless you, sir. It's
Isioma says you are awesome. Thank you. What happened if the market breaks the low? When price breaks the low, when price breaks a low and fills the supply. When breaks the when price breaks a low and fills the supply. Ah, what do you do? That question is not clear, brother. I wish you can explain further. Majos says, well done, sir. Thank you so much, my brother. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll talk about cryptocurrency tomorrow. Have a pleasant day. My name remains Mayowa Owolabi. And for those that want to join the Forex group, you want to learn ITC trading strategy, you want to chat up with the number showing on your screen, okay? Reach out to her. You can get started, or you visit mayowolabi.com/forex and you'll be able to get started. I look forward to seeing you again shortly. Talk to you soon. Have a pleasant day. I'll see you at the top and not from the top because the floor is crowded. Peace out, guys.